Look, that mongoose family was moving their pups to a new den. Then, a huge rock python slid out from the rocks. It went straight for the babies, and that's when everything stopped.
But the python was too big for one mongoose. Then, they all attacked together. 15 against 1. I couldn't believe they weren't scared. Then, the pups were still safe in the middle. The python finally gave up. 15 tiny mongooses beat a giant snake. That's teamwork. That mongoose family was moving their 6 pups to a new den. Then, something huge moved in the rocks. We didn't see it at first. Then, the python locked onto the smallest pup. The whole mob saw it at the same time. And that's when they formed a wall. But one python against 15 mongooses. They didn't wait. The first wave went straight for the tail. Then the python got angry. It coiled and grabbed one mongoose. I thought it was over right there. But they didn't stop. While it was distracted, the rest kept biting. They were trying to tire it out. Then, it finally had enough. The giant python started backing away. 15 tiny mongooses won. And then, with the python gone, they grabbed their babies. They moved as one family to safety. That's why mongooses survive.